Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW 3 Series grille. First, gather your essential tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a T20 Torx screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine completely. Then, open the hood and identify the top edge of the kidney grills, which are the focus of our removal process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe experience. Now, let's tackle the top fasteners. Begin by using your T20 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove any screws you find along the upper edge of each grille. There are typically 2 to 3 screws per grille. After the screws are out, gently insert your plastic trim removal tool under the top clips. Apply steady, upward pressure to release them, taking care not to scratch the paint or damage the bumper. With the top clips free, it's time to address the bottom section. Reach behind the grille, feeling for the lower retaining clips. There are usually 4 to 6 clips along the bottom edge. You'll need to press these tabs inward or push them upward to disengage them from their slots. This step might require a bit of finesse, so take your time and apply gentle, consistent pressure until each clip releases. Finally, with all clips disengaged, gently pull the grille straight out from the bumper. It should come out with minimal resistance. Before installing a new grille, take a moment to inspect the mounting points for any damage or debris. To reinstall, simply align your new grille with the openings and push firmly until you hear and feel all the clips snap securely into place. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.